I've got 3/4 of a brain. I only have half a brain. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if we've got 3/4 of a brain here, and we've got 1/2 of a brain here, and what we'd like to do is separate the brains into 1/8 of a brain. How many 1/8 of a brain do we have if we've got 3/4 of a brain and 1/2 of a brain? Keep tuned. Okay, enough with the brains. We're not going to talk about brains anymore. We're going to talk about cups of peanuts. We've got a 1/2 cup of peanuts and 3/4 cups of peanuts, and I'm going to get all the peanuts into bags containing 1/8 of a cup. And how many bags do I have? And that looks complicated. What are we going to do here? Well, first, what we're going to do is we're going to add all the peanuts. So that's going to go back to what we did when we added fractions. 1/2 plus 3/4. Then we're going to divide by 1/8. So let me put some parentheses on there. Remember, parentheses are what you have to do first. And then we're going to divide by 1/8. So we got step 1, add all the peanuts. Step 2, divide by 1/8. So let's handle that addition first, that 1/2 plus 3/4. And it's been a little while, so you remember that what we're doing is we're doing the least common multiple. That's pretty easy in this case. I start listing multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 4, 4, 8. Aha! 4 is my least common multiple. So that means I need to do a rewrite on the 1/2. So that should be straightforward. Turn that so I've got a 4 on the bottom, multiply the top and the bottom by 2, and we get 2 divided by 4. So yay, we've got 2/4 plus 3/4. Remember, we're doing addition. When we add fractions, the denominator does not change. So all we have to do is we have to add across like that. And what we're getting is 5/4. So we just had the 1/2 plus 3/4. I'm going to divide by 1/8. And we just turned the parentheses. Everything in parentheses got turned into 5/4 divided by 1/8. So now it's time for keep, change, flip. Here we go. Keep, change, flip. All right. Keep the first fraction, don't ask why. Flip the second fraction and multiply. There we go. Okay, my boom boom gone people are going to be happy because instead of writing that as an 8, I'm going to be writing that as a 2 times a 4. And let me see. 4 cancels. Boom, boom, gone. What are we left with here? 5 times 2 on the top. That's 10. 1 on the bottom, that's 1. 10 over 1 is 10, and we have 10 bags. No, I said bag there, but I ran out of space. Sorry. So, just to review, we started with this problem where we had 1/2 cup and 3/4 cup, and we had to do the addition first. It's in parentheses, that's why we've got to do that first. Then we separated all those peanuts into bags, each containing 1/8 of a cup, and we did our step for division. So that's a multi-step fraction problem. First we added, then we divided. Fantastic, folks. No more discussion about brains.